I'm going to show you an incredible website that has the potential to help you make a lot of money online and earn as much as $534 in a single day. The best part is, you can implement this even if you have no prior expertise or experience. It's completely free and available globally too. So stay tuned and keep watching, because I'll share with you a lot of different bonus resources and free tools that you need to get started. I want you to check out Amazon.com. Our focus is on the Kindle book section right here. Now, if you go down below here, you'll notice that there are many people offering ebooks for $4.99, and there are also some people that sell for $3.99 on this website. And now, as I scroll down further, we can see that there are many more Kindle ebooks that so many people have posted on this website, and some even sell for $13.99. This indicates that many people are profiting well from this strategy. Take a look at this one right here, where over 1,000 buyers have left reviews after buying these Kindle ebooks. So without wasting much time, let's go on to the online calculator. One Kindle ebook is $13.99, and then there are over 2,707 people buying this one right here. And as you can see here, this is almost $37,000 by simply posting a single Kindle ebook like this one. And you don't need any experience, no investment. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a done-for-you template, which I'll show you in today's video. Visme.co is the second website that I would like you to visit. This website enables you to create a highly appealing and professional Kindle book such as this one that we can sell for a great deal of money without having any prior experience. So in essence, this is a 3-step procedure. Okay, so the first step is to choose a done-for-you template, but there are a lot of them to choose from, so keep watching this video because I'll show you a real-life example of how to achieve that. Step 2. After you've chosen a done-for-you template, you can add whatever you like. For example, you can alter the background, the font size, the font color, and pretty much anything else. Step 3 is that you can get this ebook completely free of charge and you can publish it on Amazon. Right now, I want you to go around and check on this blue button right here. You'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account from anywhere in the globe and begin writing your ebooks. So it's pretty straightforward. You simply need to enter your name, email address, and password, and then click on this blue register button right here, as you can see. If you scroll down below, you'll see that there are many documents available, such as reports, proposal, resumes, cover letters, and many more. And we are going to look for this one over here, which is ebooks. Once you click on the ebooks button, you'll see different templates which you can choose from, all of which are very professional and very beautiful. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are hundreds of done-for-you templates that you can just click on, and everything will be done for you automatically, and you won't have to spend any money. So right now, I'm going to give you the first bonus tip. Okay, as you can see in the Kindle eBooks website, there are many types of ebooks that you can sell. Consider arts and photography, as well as business and money, education and teaching as well. So I want you to concentrate on your health, exercise, and diet. This category is the most profitable, meaning that you can make a lot of money online with little competition. Now that you've decided on the area you want to focus on, which is health and fitness, we are going to hunt for a template that's appropriate for these types of categories. So if you want to use this template right here, as you can see, it's highly professional and appropriate for your health and fitness area. So right now, if I click on this preview button right here, you can actually see what I'm talking about and see what is inside the template. As an example, have a look at other cover photos. So if you scroll down below, you'll see all of the pages included in this template. They are designed to show people how to lose weight and what kinds of fruits they may consume. This template has a lot of information on the subject, and this is essentially a finished ebook that you can simply copy and paste. Once you've determined that this is the template for you, all you have to do now is go and click on this blue button to utilize it. So as you can see, you can go to this new page and modify and alter whatever you want. And one of the reasons that I like this so much is that they provide you with a cover picture of the ebook, which is really professional and attractive. So if we're talking about calories, for example, a good diet plan, there are many pages of information that you can copy and paste and start selling on Amazon Kindle ebooks under the health and fitness area. So right now, if you don't like something on this page, you can double-click on it and make changes to the text and the font size, the bold lead, the underlined lead, the color of the text, and any other modifying that you want. But the good thing about this is that basically everything is done for you. So you can actually put your name right here, or you can put a nickname, for example. So you're going to change the title of this ebook and change anything you want. When you're satisfied with that, all you have to do now is go to the top and click the download button, and you can do this on your phone or your computer. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The website we are using is free, and the name of the website is plrdownloads.com. This website mainly has a large number of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download for free, and as you can see here, there are a lot of distinct categories. So for the time being, we are going to concentrate on health. If you click on this health, like right here, you'll be taken to this category of health as shown here. And if you scroll down below, you'll find hundreds of different ebooks or done-for-you Kindle ebooks that you can download for free. Take for example this ebook right here. All you have to do is click on this ebook and you'll be sent to this page. Scroll down further and you'll see a blue download button, which is in this case right here. So all you have to do is click on the download button, sign up for an account if you don't already have one, and you can download this for free using your phone or computer. You can focus on another category when you finish downloading all of the health category ebooks. And you can start selling them on Amazon and earn a lot of money utilizing the free PLR website without any investment. So once you have your ebooks on visme.co, you can get them from freeplrdownloads.com. Once you have an ebook, the next step is to post it on Amazon. So right now, we're going to Kindle Direct Publishing. You can go directly to their website, which is kdp.amazon.com. When you get to this website, you can start publishing your own ebooks, just like this one, and actually start making money. As you can see here, you can get to the market fairly quickly, as publishing just takes less than 5 minutes. And as you can see, your Kindle store can be accessed from anywhere in the world and within as little as 24 hours. All you have to do is go to this page and click on the sign up button right here if you don't have an Amazon account. Then you'll be taken to this page where you can log in into your account right now. If you're completely new to Amazon, you can scroll down below here where you'll see New to KDP. This is where you can create your KDP account, and I want you to click on this button right here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can create your KDP account. Simply enter your name, email, password, and confirm your password, then click Create KDP account. From there, you can start publishing your ebooks by uploading them to Amazon for people to purchase from anywhere in the world. Do you want to earn $295 passively by clicking? Then watch this video! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.